Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up FENVi AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the FENVi AX3000 extender into a wall power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Allow the extender 1 to 2 minutes to fully boot up. Important, do not begin the WPS process until the power light becomes stable.
Now look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The button may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a 2 circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. After pressing it, the WPS light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to connect new devices.
Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the FENVi AX3000 extender. Hold for about 1 second. Release the button. The extender's LED will begin blinking while attempting to pair with the router. After successful pairing, the WPS LED becomes solid. The signal LED shows the connection strength. The extender creates an extended Wi-Fi network. If the LED continues blinking for several minutes or turns off, repeat the WPS process. Once connected, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in. Wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.